In this chapter, we will look at wallets as containers for private keys and as systems for managing these keys. Overview of wallet technologies. In this section, we summarize the various technologies used to construct user-friendly, secure, and flexible Ethereum wallets. One key consideration in designing wallets is balancing convenience and privacy. The most convenient Ethereum wallet is one with a single private key and address that you reuse for everything. Unfortunately, such a solution is a privacy nightmare since anyone can easily track and correlate all your transactions. Using a new key for every transaction is best for privacy, but becomes very difficult to manage. The correct balance is difficult to achieve, which is why good wallet design is paramount. A common misconception about Ethereum is that Ethereum wallets contain Ether or tokens. In fact, very strictly speaking, the wallet holds only keys. The Ether or other tokens are recorded on the Ethereum blockchain. Users control the tokens on the network by signing transactions with the keys in their wallets. In a sense, an Ethereum wallet is a key chain. Having said that, given that the keys held by the wallet are the only things needed to transfer Ether or tokens to others, in practice, this distinction is fairly irrelevant. Where the difference does matter is in changing one's mindset from dealing with the centralized system of conventional banking, where only you and the bank can see the money in your account, and you only need to convince the bank that you want to move funds to make a transaction, to the decentralized system of blockchain platforms, where everyone can see the Ether balance of an account, although they probably don't know the account's owner, and everyone needs to be convinced that the owner wants to move funds for a transaction to be enacted. In practice, this means that there's an independent way to check an account's balance without needing its wallet. Moreover, you can move your account handling from your current wallet to a different wallet if you grow to dislike the wallet app you started out using. Note: Ethereum wallets contain keys, not Ether or tokens. Wallets are like keychains containing pairs of private and public keys. Users sign transactions with the private keys, thereby proving they own the Ether. The Ether is stored on the blockchain. There are two primary types of wallets, distinguished by whether the keys they contain are related to one another or not. The first type is a non-deterministic wallet, where each key is independently generated from a different random number. The keys are not related to one another. This type of wallet is also known as a JBOC wallet, from the phrase, just a bunch of keys. The second type of wallet is a deterministic wallet, where all the keys are derived from a single master key, known as the seed. All the keys in this type of wallet are related to one another and can be generated again if you have the original seed. All the keys in this type of wallet are related to one another and can be generated again if you have the original seed. Several different key derivation methods are used in deterministic wallets. The most common derivation method uses a tree-like structure as described in Hierarchical Deterministic Wallets, BIP32, BIP44.